Welcome back to Cliffie Love to Eat, guys. Chef Cliffie is here one more time. Shout out to your friend Cliffie. Yeah, man. Peace out to everybody out there. Thank you guys for subscribing on my channel. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. So I'm saying I appreciate you guys. And thank you guys for sharing it. I love you guys. So right now, guys, as you can see on the table right here, I'm gonna make some curry shrimp rice. Jamaican curry shrimp rice. Yeah. Curry shrimp with rice, white rice. You know what I'm saying? So first, I got some flavor rice. And right here, some all natural season for the fish. And I got my curry right here. So I'm saying? And I got my Maggi seasoning. And I got my fish seasoning. And I got my garlic right here. You know what I'm saying? And my bell pepper and my scallion right here. So I'm saying? Yes, man. So all you guys doing, and this is the shrimp right here, guys. Got it big. So I'm gonna cut up my scallion and my bell pepper. I'm saying, cut it up. Yeah. For the shrimp. So I'm gonna take the shell off. The shrimp, guys. Yeah. So I'm saying, yeah. Chef Cliffie is in the building. Yeah, man. So how's everybody day doing? Today's a nice, warm, hot day, guys. It's nice outside, man. I love this kind of weather, man. Yeah, I don't like the cold. I don't like the snow. Oh no. I don't like it, guys. I've been here like 10, 11 years now, guys, United States. And I still don't used to the cold, man. So I'm saying, I can't get used to it, man. It's crazy. Yep. So, I don't know when, guys. I'm gonna get used to it. Yeah, so this is what I'm gonna saute my shrimp. This seasoning. So I'm gonna go over the sink and shell it. Okay, guys, so right now I'm gonna show you guys my shrimp after when I take the shell off. This is how it looks, guys. Yeah, and I'm gonna put my seasoning. First, I put my fish seasoning in it. Just a little bit. Right there. And I get my seasoned rice right there. Got my garlic. And I get my all natural seasoning. All natural. And I get my Maggi. It came in a little package, guys, like this. This is how it's coming. It's a lot in there. Yeah. Maggi. Gonna burst it out like this. Maggi seasoning is like an all-purpose seasoning, guys. You can use it on everything, you know. It's Jamaican. Woo. Jamaican Maggi seasoning. Yeah, you can use it on everything. Yeah. It's really flavory. Nice. Yeah, so let's use one of this. Yeah. All right. And then I mix them up. Mix up my shrimp. Woo, woo. Mix them up now. Then I'm gonna put my curry in there now. This is my curry, Jamaican curry. Yeah. So guys, I'm making shrimp, curry shrimp with white rice. Yeah. Put a little here. Mix them up. Really good. This shrimp look good. Yeah. And then I'm gonna go over by the stove over there and pour my oil. So guys, you'll see me over there. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, Cliffie is back. Yeah. I got my rice, guys. Got my rice right here. Yeah. I'm gonna put it in my rice pot. Rice pot is right here. Yeah. Put my rice in there. See? Yeah. Get everything out the bowl, guys. Yeah, all the rice. Yeah. That's how we do it, yeah, man. Peace and love, yeah, man. Peace and love. Then I stir him up. And sit there like that. Then put the cover back on. Yeah. And now I'm gonna put my seasoning in my curry pot, guys. Yeah. Sure. Yeah, the oil is hot. I can smell it. I can smell it. Yeah. Oh, it's hot. Yeah. Yeah. See? All the hot, guys. So let's pour all this in there. Like that. Woo! Yeah. It is good, guys. Look at that. Yeah. Just stir him up. Yeah. Stir him up like that. Just like that, guys. You saute a little bit. Yeah. Let him saute a little bit, guys. And then I just put my fish in it, you know? Yeah. Yeah, that's how you do it. Yeah, man. Yeah. So you do it, guys. Yeah, man. Shrimp right here. Pour it in here. Like that. Woo! So I'm saying. Yeah, looking good, looking good, looking good. Looking good, look at that, guys. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Looking good, looking good. Looking good. Yeah, curry, shrimp. Looking good, looking good. This curry shrimp looks good, guys. Bam, a drop. Guys, come out to Cliffie channel and, you know, watch Cliffie cooking and eat. Cliffie love to eat. That's my channel, guys. Cliffie love to eat. I'm saying, yeah, yeah. You don't want the shrimp to overcook, guys. So I'm saying, so I'm not gonna let it overcook. Yeah. That's why I sauteed it. The bell pepper and scallion. Yeah, that's why I sauteed. Yeah, man. For real, for real, for real, for real. Yeah. That's how it look. Yeah, man. Looking good. Yeah, let me check the rice out. So far the rice is. Yeah, it's boiling. Yeah. So this is how it look, guys. So as Cliffie finish, when I finish, I'll show you everything done. Yeah. I'm saying peace and love. Yeah. Yeah, guys. I appreciate you guys for watching me. I'm saying, yeah, I appreciate it. I appreciate it 100 times. Yeah. 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 I appreciate you guys watching my cooking, and I love you guys. I'm saying, and we're gonna eat shrimp. Flip it, clip it, flip it. Looking good. Yeah. Mmm. It's good, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. This is all the shrimp. Look at this, guys. Yeah, this is how it looks, guys. It's all done, and I put some sausage in it too, guys. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Put some sausage in it. Shrimp, curry shrimp, guys, with some sausage. Look good, guys. Yeah. And my rice. My rice is right here. It's all done. Yeah, man. So this is Cliffie Love to Eat cooking channel. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Put it back on. Yeah, man. Everything look good, guys. Peace and love. So if you guys like my video, share it and subscribe and let me know what you think, guys. Stay peace. Yeah, man. See you guys on my eating channel. Yeah. Guys, so this is my cooking video, guys. I do the recite how I cook it. Yeah, man. And I had some sausage in it, and I don't know if anybody ever do this before. Put sausage in the curry shrimp, but Cliffie do it different today. And you guys will love it. If you try it, it's good. So try with some sausage, guys. It's good. This is the change. This is Cliffie flip. I flip it with some sausage. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. They call it shrimp sausage, curry shrimp sausage with white rice. Yeah, man. Welcome back, guys, to Cliffie Love to Eat, guys. Right now I have something new for you guys. I got some shrimp, curry shrimp and white rice, and I put some sausage in the shrimp, guys. So I don't know if you guys ever do that before, but Cliffie just put a twist into it, put some sausage in the shrimp. So we got shrimp and sausage. Yeah, man. Curry. So I'm saying, this is how it look, guys. So I'm saying, yeah. Yeah, that's how it looks. Looking good. Yeah, man. Peace and love, guys. And guys, don't forget to go to my website and order your Yaman shirt. Yaman genuine cotton, man, 100%. You know what I'm saying? Good quality. Yeah, man. So right now, guys, I'm gonna do the intro. What's the time now? What's the time? What's the time now? What's the time? The time is to eat. The time is to eat. Come eat with Cliffie. Eat with Cliffie. Come eat with Cliffie. Yeah, man. So guys, me and Isabel will do this video. She have her plate over here, and she gonna do say grace. Say grace, Isabel.
Okay. Thank you, Lord, for this food, the Lord Jesus. Amen.
Thank you. What, Isabel?
Yeah, I'm doing great.
How the shrimp taste?
The shrimp tastes
Good?
awesome.
Mm-hmm.
It's awesome.
Thank you. Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna eat this tomorrow. I'm gonna eat this tomorrow.
So I got some juice in here, guys. Some mango. Apple and mango. Yeah. Mmm. Mm-mm. Bomb. Shrimp is bomb.
Yep, it is.
Definitely. Yes, Isabel. Look, guys, I want to say thank you. I want to say thank you, guys, for watching my cooking ackee and saltfish video, the way I prepare it. I appreciate all of you guys who are watching it. Yeah. And the guys give good comment. I appreciate it. And I say thank you. Mm-hmm. Man, this sausage is good. With the color shrimp. Man. I just come up with you guys, man. I just come up and said, man, I gotta put some sausage in the shrimp. You know? Mmm. It's so good. Mm-mm. It is so good. Mm-mm. Mm. Yeah.
This sausage is good. This is good.
Nah.
It's different though. I don't know why I can.
Today on the road was crazy, guys. The road was so busy. lot of traffic. Oh my God. And plus the sun was hot. Man. Man, I know this when it's summertime, these people who driving on the road, man, they've been acting up. They've been acting up, guys. For real, like, that is losing mind. For real. Yeah, acting up. If we return, this is something happening on the road. Accident. Something, man. Everywhere I turn. Accident over here, there. It's crazy. It is crazy. Yeah, so that's why when I'm coming up of my house, going the road, I gotta pray, man. Pray for guidance and protection on the road, you know? Because yeah, the shelves. Let's put it right here. Yeah. Yeah, because people been acting up, man. You gotta pray.
Excuse me.
I'm gonna get back home safe. I give God thanks. Hey. It's not everyone who will leave their home reaching back safe, you know?
Eat the rice.
So we gotta
Eat the rice.
pray. This day.
Pepper on my rice. I need pepper on my rice.
You want some?
I want some. I need ketchup on my rice.
You want rice?
Huh?
What happened?
Have ketchup on my rice.
Okay. Ketchup?
Maybe I get ketchup again.
Wait. Right here.
Ketchup.
Woo! Yeah, man, we gotta pray and ask God for guidance when you're coming out and going in. Because what's going on in the world, man, we gotta have God
Ketchup.
with us.
Let me
Yeah, God with us, man.
ketchup.
Yeah.
I love ketchup. Okay. Mix it all up. Mix it all up. Mix the ketchup all up. All up. All up. All up. Mix the ketchup all up.
Just food is good. No more.
Okay. Okay.
I love it. It's delicious. Woo!
Okay, I think that's enough.
I love my food, yeah. Wow. So good. Yeah, man. So I just want to shout out to all of my family out there. I just want to say that I love all of you guys, and hope you guys is doing good. Hope everything's going good with you guys. Yeah. And I always have you guys in my heart, you know? Always. I'm in love with the shrimp, man. I'm in love with the shrimp. It's so good. Wow. Woo. Amen. Woo. Wow. It's so good. Woo. Oh my God. Man. You guys will love this food, man. Come take a bite. Come take a bite of this food. It's so good. Wow.
I'm done.
It's done, Isabel?
Yep.
Oh, wow. Wow. Woo.
Daddy, can I have a sausage?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, what is that, tomato?
Yeah, move some sausage, Isabel. There you go. Sausage is good.
Excuse me.
Mm.
I can't even kill the fly.
Mm. Mm-mm. I'm not joking. This food is off the chain. It's yummy, man. Yum, yum. Mm-mm. Woo. Mm. Thank you again for watching Cliffie Love to Eat. And don't forget to check out my Yaman store. Get your Yaman shirt. So I'm saying, and be blessed. Yeah. That was it, man. You gotta be blessed, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Everybody wanna be blessed. That's a gift from God, you know? Yeah. So let's get the shirt, man. And put it on, you know? Show the world, hey, I am blessed. Yeah, man, I am blessed. Yeah, man, I am blessed, blessed, blessed. Yeah, man, I am blessed. Yeah, yeah, man, I am blessed, blessed, blessed. Hey, I am blessed. Blessed through Christ, I am blessed, yeah. Blessed from my toe to my head. I'm blessed. My body is blessed. And my heart is blessed. And my mind is blessed. Hey, and my liver is blessed. Hey, and my kidney is blessed. Hey, I am blessed. Tell everybody, say you're blessed. Blessed, 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 we bless. Yeah, man. Blessed, 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 we bless. Yeah, man. See you guys on another video. Peace out. See me. Yeah. Cliffie said, bless up.